Next we have the reports. So there are two types. There are standard and there are ad hoc. Each report has a filter criteria. In this particular case, you can limit it by program area, funding opportunity, status, and you can export this information to HTML, PDF, Excel, or Word. And when you generate the report, this is kind of the standard look and feel for the reports that are created from within the system. And then you have ad hoc reports. Now these are created by you. So you can add as many reports as you would like to the system. Each report also has filter criteria, but you can edit the report. And editing the report allows you to add fields. So you can add fields, which will then take you through a little wizard. You can add fields from the application, the review, the grant, the status report, or the claim. So if I choose application forms, I see the various application forms that are available. I could choose, for example, the budget. And then on the budget, I see the fields. So here I could include the item name, the classification, and the total on my report. And I could add update fields, and that will add those fields to my report. Now if we go back to the report, we can edit this list. And here we can modify the order of the fields. We can change the label. We can group the data, sort the data, either ascending or descending. We can filter the data, either equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, like, or in some kind of filter criteria. So if you want to limit it by area code or zip code or district. You can also insert subtotals and grand totals and what you want to subtotal on. And then you can also include mathematical formulas. So here you can do math, count, max, min, sum, concatenate. And if it's a math, you can do add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You can perform mathematical operations within any of the fields that you've added to your report. And then you can export this information to Microsoft Excel. And once it's in Excel, of course, then you have the full capabilities of Excel to manipulate the data however you would like.